Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best pH kit for plants is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious gardener or hydroponic enthusiast looking to optimize their plants' growth and health, as understanding and controlling the pH level of your water and soil is absolutely critical for nutrient uptake and overall plant vitality, ensuring your green companions receive exactly what they need to thrive and flourish. Number 5. SONKIR MS023-in-1 Soil Tester. Introducing the SONKIR MS02, the ultimate 3-in-1 soil tester. It's designed to help you easily monitor your plant's environment for optimal growth. With a simple switch, you can effortlessly measure soil moisture, pH levels, and sunlight exposure. Get all the insights you need for healthy plants. Forget about batteries. Just insert it into the soil and get accurate readings instantly on the clear display. It's ready to use anytime, anywhere. Crafted with reliable materials and advanced technology, this tester is built for durability. Its sturdy design ensures long-term, accurate performance. Whether for your home garden, a large farm, or indoor plants, its portable design makes it ideal for any soil and plant analysis. Use it indoors or outdoors with confidence. Please remember, this device is specifically for soil testing. If the soil is too dry, ensure it's watered before testing for accurate moisture readings. What we like? This tool offers moisture, pH, and light readings all in one. It's incredibly convenient as it requires no batteries, just insert and read. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable tester for general garden use, this is a great choice. What people say. The pH kit for plants is a great product for monitoring soil pH levels accurately. It comes with clear instructions and is easy to use, even for beginners. The kit includes all the necessary components for testing pH, making it a comprehensive solution. Number 4. General Hydroponics pH Control Kit. Take control of your hydroponic grow with the General Hydroponics pH Control Kit. It has everything you need to accurately measure the pH levels in your reservoirs. Get fast, accurate, and easy-to-read results with our streamlined testing system. You can trust it to deliver reliable readings every time. This comprehensive kit includes pH up and pH down liquids, test indicator, a test tube, eyedropper, and a helpful pH level chart. Many experienced growers choose this kit over electronic meters for its proven reliability and simple operation. It's the preferred way to test pH. Using it is straightforward. Fill the tube, add a few drops of indicator, and observe the color change. Most plants thrive between 5.5 and 6.5 pH. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for hydroponic systems, providing everything you need to manage your reservoir's pH. It offers fast, accurate, and easy-to-read results, making it the preferred choice for seasoned growers. If you're into hydroponics and want a reliable, user-friendly pH testing solution, this is for you. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a variety of seeds, soil, and pots. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner like me. My plants have grown so much since I started using this kit. They look healthy and vibrant. Number 3. 4-in-1 Soil Tester for Comprehensive Plant Care. Introducing the 4-in-1 Soil Tester, your all-in-one solution for comprehensive plant care. It measures moisture, pH, nutrients, and light, giving you a complete picture of your plant's health. Featuring a unique 90 adjustable dial, this tester allows you to read data without bending or squatting. It's designed for ultimate comfort and ease of use, especially for seniors. Say goodbye to guesswork and root rot. This meter accurately detects soil moisture levels, helping you prevent overwatering or underwatering for healthier plants. Our upgraded single probe design minimizes damage to plant roots during insertion. It's ideal for sensitive plants, ensuring gentle care for delicate root systems. Get precise readings in seconds with its highly sensitive sensor. Simply insert it into the soil and get instant results to quickly assess your plant's needs. Built with a reinforced probe structure, it's durable and resistant to rust. Its white clean design makes maintenance effortless, ensuring long-term use. What we like? This tester goes beyond the basics with 4-in-1 functionality, monitoring moisture, pH, nutrients, and light. Its unique 90 rotating dial makes readings comfortable, especially for those who dislike bending. If you value ease of use, comfort, and a tool that's gentle on plant roots, this is an excellent option. What people say. The pH kit for plants is a great tool for monitoring soil pH levels accurately. It comes with clear instructions and is easy to use, even for beginners. The kit includes all the necessary components for testing and adjusting pH levels in your plant's soil. Number 2. YAMRON 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter. Introducing the YAMRON 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter, your ultimate companion for nurturing healthy plants. This device measures moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight intensity, providing comprehensive insights for your gardening needs. Featuring a large LCD screen with a white backlight, it ensures clear and convenient readings in any lighting condition. It also alerts you when the batteries need replacing, so you're never caught off guard. Utilizing the latest probe technology, it delivers quick and accurate measurements of soil conditions and light intensity. This helps you scientifically cultivate your plants by knowing exactly when to water, adjust pH, and ensure adequate sunlight. Just insert the probe into the soil, wait a few seconds, and get immediate, intuitive data. It's designed for ease of use, even for novice gardeners, providing precise readings to help you understand your soil better. With a unique 45 degrees rotating head, you can easily view the screen without straining your neck. This thoughtful design makes monitoring your plants more comfortable and accessible. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, it's ideal for gardens, farms, potted plants, and succulents. We are committed to providing satisfactory service, so please reach out with any concerns. What we like. Featuring a large, backlit LCD screen, this tester provides clear readings of moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight, even in low light. Its visual graphics make data easy for beginners to understand. If you appreciate a modern, digital interface with helpful visual aids for plant care, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The pH kit for plants is a great value for the price. This kit is very easy to use and provides accurate readings. I love how compact and portable the pH kit for plants is, making it convenient for on-the-go testing. Number 1. Humboldts Secret Starter Kit Pack. Introducing the Humboldts Secret Starter Kit, your all-in-one solution for plant nutrition. This comprehensive system provides everything you need to support your plants from their very first sprout to the final harvest. It's designed to make feeding simple and encourage robust growth throughout the entire plant life cycle. Achieve strong and steady growth with our balanced liquid plant food. Each formula is concentrated to create a nutrient-rich solution, delivering essential elements that strengthen roots and support plant structure. You'll see noticeable results and promote long-term health with consistent nutrition. Our hydroponic nutrients are designed for ultimate versatility. They work seamlessly across various hydroponic systems, potting soil, and coco coir. Whether you're growing indoors or outdoors, this kit offers flexibility and reliable performance for any setup. Simplify your indoor gardening with this effective plant food. It's perfect for houseplants, herbs, and flowers, supporting root health and vibrant color with minimal effort. Achieve steady growth and maintain beautiful plants with ease. This plant fertilizer liquid integrates smoothly into your grow routine, providing reliable support during both vegetative and flowering stages. It delivers consistent nutrition week after week, helping to maintain plant strength and balance without added complexity. What we like. This is a comprehensive nutrient kit designed to support your plants from seedling to harvest, covering all essential growth stages. It's incredibly versatile, working with any grow medium or setup, whether indoors or outdoors. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-manage feeding system that ensures balanced nutrition throughout the plant's life cycle, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The pH kit for plants is a great tool for monitoring your plant's soil. It is easy to use and provides accurate readings. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a probe, a meter, and a calibration solution. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.